Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video I will show you exactly how to get Zoom Premium, also known as Zoom Pro, step by step, whether you are upgrading for work, school, or just better meetings. I've got you covered. Let's get started. First you need to have an account in Zoom, and to get the app or just sign in the website on zoom.us. Then once you are in, you go all the way top right to the gear, and then you click on it. You go into profile, then you select upgrade to pro, click on it. So that page has appeared. Now you just need to click on upgrade to pro. You choose the right plan for you, of course. Let's make it monthly, for example, and you can add some offers also. So when you are finished, go into continue. You need to write here your street address, like Texas. Okay, for example, da 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 da. Da. Okay, so that's the price that we will pay. Okay, let's go to continue the payment. Here you choose the payment method. For me, I will choose credit or debit card. You need to fill the card number, the CVV, and the expiration date also, for example. Then continue to order review. And that's how you can get premium Zoom uh, for the better experience and more options. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends to help them also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.